is the black cover version. I've done two versions, one with full image cover, and this one is the black with center image cover. I think the other one will be arriving tomorrow, maybe. Good packaging with rubber stoppers. There you go. That's the back of the photo book. That's the front. Image a bit disappointing though, too bluish. Well, maybe I'll stick to the full image version. Okay, that's the front cover. Let's see how the inside goes. There's an inlay, nice. Okay, first day at the airport. It's first day at the airport. Oh, this is the matte version. If I'm not mistaken, the other version I did glossy. Let's see how that one turns out. Then we can choose which one you like. Ira sitting in the bassinet in the plane. That's Shah and Tira there. This is Brisbane Airport. We just arrived. And we were waiting for the transport to come to get us to the homestay, and that's the homestay. View 360, nice place. Very big. Just nice for the 17 of us. Even has a trampoline and a swimming pool. Printing turns out quite okay, quite nice. Colors are vibrant. Most of the photos are from my Olympus camera, but some are from Atira and Johan's iPhones. We shared the photos for the photo book. This is Point Danger Coolangatta. Still Coolangatta. Surfers Paradise. That's Surfers Paradise at night. And then that's Harbour Town Outlet Shopping. We were there for 2 days. I mean, we went there twice. And this is Brisbane's Mount Coota Botanical Garden. It was quite empty when we were there because it just rained, so we had the place to ourselves. And this is South Bank, Brisbane at night. Pictures are a bit dark, but it's okay, I suppose. Maybe I need to brighten up the pictures a bit. These are from Johan or maybe Atira's iPhones. This is from my Olympus. SeaWorld. Some jet ski actions there, and that's the photo from the SeaWorld. We paid for this, and the soft copy that they gave us was quite disappointing. It's not high res. You can see the pictures breaking up. Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. Kangaroos, yeah. The high-res photos from the Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary are not as disappointing as the one from SeaWorld. It's quite okay. Doesn't break up. And this is just before we went off on the Windham River Cruise. Dreamworld Gold Coast. Not all of us went to Dreamworld. Some chose to go off shopping, and the younger ones went for the more thrilling rides. Yeah. And that's Jet Boat Extreme. This is from photo from the organizers. Both are from the organizers. It's quite okay, quite sharp, not bad. And these are from screen captures from GoPros. These are from my GoPros, and yeah, these are from Johan's 360 camera. Big dark. It was raining that day. Oh well, that's it. That's the photo book.